Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change Gmail address. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, click on your Google account profile picture and select Manage your Google account. Once you are on the account management page, click on Personal Info from the menu, and then select Email option under Personal Info. Now, select your current email address. If Google allows your account's email address to be changed, click on Change Google Account Email. Here, enter the new email address that you want to use and make sure it is available and not already associated with another Google account. After that, click Change Email. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Yes, Change Email. Now that the email address has been changed successfully, you can start using your new email address right away. You can use it to sign into your Google account and access all of your Google services as usual. And that's it! So that's basically how you can change Gmail address. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!